Welcome back, Bionicoutdoorsman channel. This is your host Demetrius. Many questions. Sometimes people wonder why Bionic. So this is Lethbridge here in Canada, Alberta. I'm gonna try to answer that question. It's a pretty simple question. Most of you already saw on the videos me walking around doing my stuff, daily activities, and then hunting, camping, shooting, and all that jazz. But I'm here right now. I'm gonna show a little bit deeper what it is to be a bionic person. Come with me. And this is what I mean by bionic. Full prosthetic. Right here. Yep. Let me explain how this works. So your residual goes here inside. So I have a sock and I put it on my residual, and this is the valve. So we remove the valve and the sock come out this way. So I pull the socket and then it drags the residual inside. So and then I put this valve back, so it holds your residual leg on the inside. So everything is by pressure. So this guy here, for example, is different system. So when I say residual, what I mean by residual is like the rest of your leg, whatever is left, the remaining, that we call residual or stump, goes here inside. So this is a different system, and that's why I'm here in Lethbridge talking to this new company. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Maybe we're gonna give it a try. So the way I was saying, so this is the sock that go around your residual, and then you put your residual inside the socket, drag this guy, right? Drag it until you feel that you're completely inside your prosthetic, right? This is a little bit of uncomfortable, but this is the system that I got used to it, and I think works very well, because once you're in, you 100% in. What you have to do, you grab the valve and you seal it, lock it in, so there's no air going in, right? And then just give me a second, just adjust the jewels in here, make sure everything is like a little bit of stretch, so make sure your skin and your muscles are in place. Wiggle around a little bit, and then there you have it. So now you take a step. Some people that are very new to the prosthetic business, so they put a prosthetic on and then they will like baby steps. I've done this before. Now I just like comfortable, walk around. But at first, to learn how to walk again, because this is a new world. This is, you don't feel like, you feel empty. You don't feel that you're gonna fall down in any minute. But now we have like this is your leg, so it's strong enough. But now you have this guy over here that is attached to you, and you don't have full control of it. And then me, for example, now I do, I can walk, I can jump, I can swim, everything. But yeah, we're gonna try to make another cover for this guy here. And I'm gonna try to make another cover for the bottom right here. There's a few companies that I would like to try to make something nice to display, to show here in the channel. So this is what it is, guys. I'm gonna show you also the running blade, how the running blade works, and then go from there. But this is my prosthetic, this is my bionic life. So now you guys know. To get to this point, it was a big journey. We can make a video another time talking about it. But as a military veteran, well, you guys have an idea about what's going on, right? In this veteran world, but it is what it is. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Well, let's take a break on Bionic thing for a little bit.
I came to this place here in Lethbridge maybe a few videos down the road, and it's very nice. They have guns, they have food for dogs, they have things for electricians, plumbers and all. So let's go inside. You guys are gonna see it. It's amazing. Come with me. Guys, all the way from Calgary just to find my gold digger. I love it. I love gold digger. I recommend. Guys, like I said, this place has everything, like from barbecue sauce to guns right here. And then if you have a problem with your car, your timing belt is broken, guess what to find here? Timing belt. Guys, look, it's freaking amazing. I love this place. Like, look, shotguns, everything, like garden, like if you want to take care of the garden, right over here. It's just like, you find everything here. It's like, it blows my mind. It blows my mind. Machinery. Machinery, look at it. So from Bionic to this, look, safe. It's phenomenal. I love it. Again, more guns. Look, knives, right? Knives, like pellets for pellet guns, for example. Oh, this is like one of my favorite section. Lever action rifles. And then you have scopes. You have like, look, the variety. Like these guys, they have everything. They have absolute. Oh, you guys are gonna remember this guy here. Remember on a video back then? Look at that. Yeah, still there. Amazing. Wow, yeah. So I like to come over here because they have a huge variety of rifles. Look at this baby right here. Oh yeah. Wow. I hate to come to this place because sometimes I need to go home with something. Okay. I came to Tim Hortons to try the chili, and they gave me a spoon made of cardboard. My question is, I'm gonna take a bite, and then I'm gonna be, I don't know, it's gonna come out. Let's try. So I'm halfway on the chili. So let's see if it's gonna last all the way to the very end. So it's not getting soggy right now. It's still pretty solid, like a spoon. But my question is, will it survive to the test? See, I'll let you know when I finish this whole guy right here. Tim Hortons, guys, Canada. Surprisingly, large. It went all the way. I think we're gonna have to try to give it a few more tries on the on the chili. But look, still rock solid. Anyways, cardboard. It's like the straw, a little bit stronger. But I'll keep you guys posted. Will it survive for a double big extra large chili? Will it survive? I'll let you know. I'm back. Guys, another thing that I like it very much is this donut right here. White powder. But the problem is every time, everywhere you go, they give a little bit of a different name. White strawberry powder. Anyways, you never get it right. I mean, I never got it right. So what I do sometimes, I walk inside and I go like, this one right here, I like it, this one here, give it to me. Don't understand my English, it's very good. So, this guy right here, one of the things that I love about Tim Hortons, they're everywhere. everywhere. So this is Lethbridge, 2 hours away from Calgary, 2.5 hours away. And here is my favorite, the one and only that I love it so much. Okay, quick update on this one right here. You need to be careful because look, you know what I mean? Do you know what I'm talking about? This. People can think that you were, especially with this nice face that I have, with the long hair and all. People gonna think I was doing some drugs around the corner. It's no good, huh? So pessoal, keep it clean. It's easy to clean it off, but keep that in mind. If you have a beard, wipe it out. Otherwise, you're going to get arrested for drugs that don't exist. My favorite.